2. If you find must in an affirmative sentence, what you will do? When you will turn it into a negative sentences, you have to use cannot but or cannot help. When you use cannot help, you have to use ing with verb. Look at here. We must obey our parents. What will be the answer? We cannot but obey our parents. We only use here cannot but instead of must when we will turn it into a negative sentence. Okay. Now we will see the use of cannot help. Okay, dear students, look at the another sentence. We cannot help obeying our parents. We cannot help obeying our parents. All this, the changing sentence, that means the transformation of sentences is also necessary for the HSC students. Okay, dear students, here are some students of HSC. Dear students, you can also join with us. Okay, dear. Look at here. Here we use we cannot help and ing with the verb. Obey, that is verb. And when we use help, then we have to use ing with the verb. So the answer will be we cannot help obeying our parents. If you find these sentences, that means the negative sentences, if you turn it into an affirmative sentence, what you will be do? You only write we must obey our parents. This is called vice versa. That means from affirmative to negative, and also if you can understand this rule, you can turn it into from negative to affirmative. Okay. So dear students, now we go to the rule number 3. If you find both ... and, that means both and in a sentences, or only you will find only and in a sentence, then what you will do? Then if you turn it into negative sentence, you will use not only and but also. Look at here. Both Afrin and Adhura are good friends. How can we turn it into negative? We use at first both. We use at first not only instead of both Afrin, and we use but also instead of and. Look at here again. We use not only instead of both and use but also instead of and. So the answer will be not only Afrin but also Adhura are good friends. Dear students, if you can't understand, I am fine, my dear students. If you can't understand, you can ask me, I again repeat it. The next one, she took coffee and ice cream. She took coffee and ice cream. What will be the answer? She took not only coffee but also ice cream. Here we use not only before coffee, the subject coffee, and use but also instead of and. So the answer will be she took not only coffee but also ice cream. Not only coffee but also ice cream. Okay, dear. Now we go to rule number 4. Rule number 4. Number 4, every, if you find every in a sentence, what you will do? We have to turn it into many ways. Look at here. We can turn it into by using there is no ... but, there is no dot dot who, or we can use by using no, and the opposite word of the adjective. So if you find a sentence starting with everyone or everybody, we can turn it into in 3 ways. I'll give you 3 examples of, we can turn it into 3 ways by using there is no dot dot but, by using there is no dot dot who. Look at here, so look at the example, then it will be very clear to you. Every mother loves her child. Look at here, every mother loves her child. Okay, so the first one, there is no dot dot but, I will turn it into by using that rule. The first one, the rules of first one. Look at here, there is no, instead of every, there is no mother but. Look at here, after subject I use but. There is no, I use there is no instead of every, and then subject, then use but. So the answer will be, there is no mother but loves her child. This is the one example. Sometimes you will find this type of sentence in the question paper. Then if they ask you to turn it into affirmative, then the answer will be, every mother loves her child. Okay, the next one, you can turn it into negative by using these rules. Okay, there is no mother who. There is no mother, after subject I use who, but when you use who, you have to use does not. You have to use, look at here, you have to use does not. Then use love adjective, her child. So the answer will be, again, dear student, again look at here, there is no mother who does not love. Look at here, if you use here does, then there will be no use of is. Loves, there is no use of is. Then you use here does, so there you have to use only the base verb, base adjective, base word. No loves, here love is verb, so base word only, you have to use base word. There is no mother who does not love her child. If you write here loves, then it will be wrong. Sometimes we will find in our students' copy that they use here does not and also write here loves. So it will be wrong. You have to write here, there is no mother who does not love her child. Look at here, you can turn it into again another way, that is the okay, no mother hates her child. No mother. Look at here, there is the I use no, negative form, no mother. When we use no, then we have to use the opposite word of this word. The opposite word of love is hates. No mother hates her child. Okay, after completing 6 or 7 rules, I will give you to do this exercise. I hope then all of my students will join with me. Okay, Afia, thank you. Okay, number rule, as soon as, if you find as soon as in a sentence, then what you will do, if you want to turn it into negative, you have to use no sooner had and dot dot then. Look at the example. As soon as the headmaster entered into the room, the students stood up. Look at here. as soon as the headmaster entered into the room. Here you have found two clauses, isn't it? Here there are two clauses. As soon as the headmaster entered into the room, that is the one clause. The student stood up, that is the another clause. What is clause? Clause means bakangsho, isn't it? Duto part, duto clause, duto bakangsho. When we turn it into negative, we use no sooner had. Look at here. No sooner had the headmaster entered into the room, the first clause. And we omit comma, use here then. Omit comma and use here then. The students stood up. Clear? If you find as soon as in a sentence, when you turn it into negative, you have to use no sooner had the headmaster entered. Look at here, had entered. This is also the past form. Entered is also the past form. It is also, here we use past participle, entered. After had we use past participle form, entered into the room, then the students stood up. Okay dear. Walaikum assalam. Shamra, thank you. After completing 7th rule, I will give you task and you have to reply me. Okay dear, be ready for that. If you have any problem in these rules, you can ask me. I again repeat it. Dear students, rule number 6, she is the best girl in the class. That is the superlative form. Superlative form, best. Good, better, best. That is comparison of degree. Good is positive form, better comparative form, and best is superlative form. It is the comparison of degree. যখন আমরা ডিগ্রি পড়ব, then তখন আমরা এটা আমাদের কাজে লাগবে. That is the superlative form of the sentence. She is the best girl in the class. How can we turn it into negative? If you find this type of sentences, you have to turn it into negative by following that rule. No other girl in the class is so good as she. That is the positive form of best. Positive form of best is good. No other girl in the class is so good as she. Dear students, turn it into negative. I will tell you a sentence, that is, he is a good boy. He is the best boy in the class. He is the best boy in the class. Turn it into negative. Who can write first? Who can write first? He is the best boy in the class. There are many students who is boy. He is the best boy in the class. Who can write first? Who can turn it into negative? Hurry up. Okay. No other boy in the class is so good as he. Very good. Rizwan. Rizwan is first. Okay, thank you, Rizwan. Okay. No other boy. Mazharul Islam. Very good, very good. Yes. Very good. Yes, dear student, we'll try to take regular classes from today. If you want to participate with us, of course we will take regular class. Okay dear, because this platform is only for you, Kishore Batayan is only for you. Kishore Batwen is always ready to help our students. We want our students will take part with us. We are always ready to take your class. Okay, dear students, very good. A lot of students' responses. Very good, my dear students. Okay, now we go to the another rule. Look at here. If you find TW2 dot dot 2 in a sentence, then what you will be? How can you turn it into? This is very important rule. This is very important rule, and you will sometimes you'll find this type of sentences in your question paper. So yeah, it is very easy to turn into negative. Look at here. If you find TW2 dot dot 2, then you have to use so dot dot that, or cannot or could not. It's depend on the sentences. Is it past or present form? Present sentence, past or present. It's depend on sentences. You have to use cannot or could not. Look at here. He is too weak to walk. এতই দুর্বল যে হাঁটতে পারে না. So you have to use he is so weak that he cannot walk. হাঁটতে পারে না. I again repeat all the others rules. This is important. As soon as this rule is very important, this is also very important rule. If you find as soon as in the sentences an affirmative sentence, you have to use no sooner had. And look at here, then THAN. Sometimes you have made a mistakes. You wrote some students write THEN then, but the correct spelling is THAN. খেয়াল রাখবে এটা then, THAN. অনেক সময় পুরো সেন্টেন্সটাই ঠিক থাকে, কিন্তু স্পেলিং দেন বানানটাই কনফিউজড হয়ে বানানটা ভুল করে ফেলো। ওকে ডিয়ার, লুক এট হিয়ার। এভরি তিনটা রুল এখান থেকে মাঝে মাঝে আমাদের নেগেটিভ থেকে যখন অ্যাফার্মেটিভ করতে দেয়, এনি ওয়ান ইউ উইল ফাইন্ড ইন আ কোশ্চেন পেপার, এনি ওয়ান। There is no mother but love her child, or there is no mother who does not love her child, or no mother hates her child. These different types of sentences you can find in your question paper, and this is the negative form. This is the negative form. If you want to turn it into affirmative, then you will only write every mother loves her child. This is the three sentences. This is the negative form of that sentences. Okay, I repeat it again. Thus you can turn it into negative to affirmative. Sentence গুলো যদি একটু খেয়াল করো, then it will be very easy to you to turn it into negative to affirmative, কে vice versa বিপরীতে। affirmative থেকে negative ও করতে পারবে, again negative থেকে you can turn it into affirmative, দুভাবেই করতে পারবে। ওকে ডিয়ার, একটু খেয়াল করে সেন্টেন্স গুলো দেখো। আশা করি আজকের পরে it will be very easy to you to turn it to turn from one sentence to another. Structural change গুলো easy হয়ে যাবে। ওকে ডিয়ার, number 3, both and and. If you find both and in a sentence, then you have to use not only but also. আমরা এটা প্রায় পেয়ে থাকি, not only but also. Then you use only both and both dot dot and অথবা only and দিয়ে আমরা এটা করতে পারি। Look at here, not only Afrin but also Adhura are good friends. Here the answer will be both Afrin and Adhura are good friends. That is one. Look at the another one. She took not only coffee but also ice cream. The answer will be she took coffee and ice cream. এখানে দেখো দুটো সাবজেক্ট ছিল, Afrin ছিল, Adhura ছিল। So I use not only before Afrin and but also before Adhura. Here you find she took coffee and. So one not only is used before coffee, and the another but also is used before ice cream. দুটো সাবজেক্টের আগে কিন্তু দুটো ওয়ার্ড বসেছে, নট অনলি এটা একটা সাবজেক্টের আগে বাট অলসো আরেকটা সাবজেক্টের আগে। হিয়ার ইজ অলসো ইউ উইল ফাইন্ড কফি অ্যান্ড আইসক্রিম, both two objects না। হিয়ার she took coffee, both objects এর আগে দেখো একটার আগে নট অনলি বসলো, আরেকটার আগে কি হলো but also. Okay, অনেকদিন পর কিশোর বাতায়নের লাইভ ক্লাস। ওকে, ইয়েস ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, অনেকদিন পর I am also in front of you with my dear students. Okay, I feel very happy to come to you. I hope all of you have also enjoying the class. All of you are also enjoying. Are you enjoying the class? If you are enjoying, then we will be very happy. Okay, dear students, look at another one. If you find must, then you have to use cannot but or cannot help. If you find cannot help, if you use cannot help, then you have to use ing with the we must obey with the verb. Ing with the verb. Look at here, we cannot but obey our parents. But if you find but, then you have to write only obey. If you use cannot help, then you have to use ing with the verb. Okay, dear. Fuad Hussain, my dear students, we have missed all of you a lot. Okay, so I had again repeated all the rules. Again I repeated all the rules. You have to use none but for a person. Again I repeat, none but for a person, nothing but for thing, not more than or not less than for